Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a splurge item. I went a little crazy. Kristie Marcotte, who is an amazing card maker and makes videos here on YouTube. If you don't know her, you should be watching her channel if you want to make cards with printed paper. She's amazing, and I'll be sure and link to her down below. She did a Destash, and she uses Etsy for her Destash, so be sure and look her up if you're looking for fun stuff. I started to look, and I just thought, I'm going to buy a box. I'm going to buy a box of random stuff. If it's somebody that has current products and good taste, I figure I'm probably okay, right? I don't do a lot of warehouse box type bulk items. I do get into the Echo Park Cartabella one, but other than that, I'm pretty careful because I probably have too much stuff as it is. I did have one item that I purchased separately, and so that's probably what she's tried to fit in here. This was a set of dies. It says, "Happy birthday with love, something you." Oh, thank you. And congrats. So 4 dies. I mostly bought it for the happy birthday one because I struggle with birthday cards, and I thought that would help me. Look how full this box is. I mean, she must have had this thing packed like a science. Look at this card. Oh my gosh. Such beautiful details. This is like a pearlescent paper, and then she has cute jewels on it, and the thank you banner is lifted up. Look, she has cute cards. The best things in life are pink. Now, if you watch my channel a lot, you understand the irony, but Kristie just makes beautiful things. I don't even care if they're pink. And she left this card blank so that I can use it. And she has a lovely stamp. Gorgeous. I'm gonna be honest, probably not gonna give that card away. Just gonna let it sit right there and be adorable. Okay, look at this blue bag. I like this. Fun, fun. Do you think she snuck that in there when she knew it was my box? Oh, I love that. That is fabulous. I like clear storage because I can't find things, but you can put blue clouds on them for sure. Okay, she's got some pins. The Stamping Village 2020. Hello, Handsome, and a flower pin. This is gonna take a while. Okay, little pom-poms to glue on. Orange ones too, in some variegated colors. And I'm a big fan of Queen & Company too. Queen & Company is somebody that I buy a lot of their products when the shows and expo are happening, so that hasn't been an option for me. Look at this. I don't know if you can see, it's an iridescent one. It has like a metallic in it. Very cool. So orange and red. This one, the orange is cool. The red is a little off right there. I don't know why, but that'll be really cool with red, white, and blue. Anyway, very fun. I love these goosebump things. I have some of these too, probably in different colors. And glue dots, they call them gloobers. These are really nice to, use to put adhesive on embellishments that didn't come with adhesive. Look at these little tulle bows. These are cute. I haven't seen these at shows. Tulle blossoms and orange sunflowers. Ooh, I like this color of Goosebumps. It doesn't say what they call the color, but I like it. Oh, look at these little pink donut things. These are big embellishments, but kind of cool. Some more trims. Ooh, love this one. That is fabulous. And then a yellowy one. That's really cute too. And blue tulle. Ooh, I love these. I don't know if the other ones were iridescent like that. Yeah, they were. Some iridescent stuff on them. Here's some double-sided adhesive, easy tear. I'm interested to try this. I haven't tried this product. Oh, look at these. Little Christmas embellishments. Jingle all the way. Cute stuff. I'm going to set that in a different pile. Simple Stories, Summer Farmhouse. This is a fun collection. And I like to have lots of ephemera. Sometimes I buy the ephemera from a collection and not even the paper, just to have the variety. Ooh, fall. I love fall too. From Cozy Days. Hello, Fall, Blessed, Autumn Days, Eat Pie. I love that one. And then this one's all summery. Fun stuff. Gosh, I don't even know how she fit all this in here. Ooh, a whole bunch of tags. I'm excited for these for journals. A heart embossing folder. And it has other patterns. So it's going to lay out a heart with some stripes behind it. Holy cow, a whole bunch of ink pads. And believe it or not, I don't have a lot of colors of ink. These are reverse confetti. Those are fun colors. And then a bunch of gray tones so you could layer lead, stormy, dark roast, and sand. Very fun. Oh, look at this. I don't have this. Oh my gosh. Be Merry, and it's a bee from Honeybee Stamps. And you guys know that I'm a big fan of Honeybee. And thanks a bunch just for you. I bet Noni will color that up for me. That's really cute. Oh, okay. Yes, please. Love that. Red, white, and blue. I'm so ready. Got to pull that stuff out. Oh, these are pretty. Are these ribbons? Yeah, they're patterned ribbons. Really, really lovely. Oh my gosh. Metallic washies. Ooh, look at this one. I don't have anything like that. With like an iridescent pattern on it. Green. Look at this one. That's adorable. And this, I do not believe I have like this color tone. No, it's kind of almost a periwinkle. Very nice. It's hard to find a blue washi that I don't have, and I don't have these. I kind of like this. I'd call it almost like a black metallic too. I wonder if these are the Queen and Company ones. I think some of these are because they had plastic rolls in the middle of theirs when I emptied them out. Oh my gosh, look at these. I think they're like little glass beads for shakers. If I don't use these, my friend Andrea will use them in mixed media projects. I will use them in mixed media projects. Maybe I'll use some today. They're a gorgeous gold. I'm not sure if the color really shows and how nice they look. I'm here for you always. Please know that I care. One little baby, many happy hearts. Wishing you love and laughter forever after. Time passes, friendship stays right where it's put. Oh, that's cute. Sending you a little something wrapped up in a whole lot of love. That's a fun one. 2 simple words that come with so much gratitude. Thank you. You're a wonderful reason to celebrate. If wishes could make you well, you'd be better already. I love that one. That's really cute. 2004. I have way older ones than that. Oh, happy birthday to you and cupcakes. And like I said, I struggle with birthday cards, so having another birthday stamp is always a good idea for me. I can color those up. Those are simple enough for me, I think. Oh, look. So Queen and Company has really, really neat sprinkle stuff for their shakers. And these are little flowers, little yellow ones and little like pinky peach, maybe coral. Oh, here's another fun jar. Micro beads in silver. So silver and gold. Great. And she's bagged everything, so I don't have an incident in here. Glitz Glitter Gel from Gina K. Ooh, look at that color. And my friend buys almost all the products, but I do not believe that she has this. Lovely Lavender. That'll be fun. Sheer glue. Okay, this is the Queen and Company glue, and I haven't tried this, so I'm very interested to try out their glue. Oh, this is a cute die. I like flower dies. I use a lot of them and then layer up the blossoms. And this is big, but not too big. Very cute. Okay. There's a lot of stuff in here. Hang with me. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Oh, that's a nice... Who made this? This is gorgeous. Oh, okay. Impress was a company in Washington that has gone just to online, but had stores for years. I used to go to the one in Bell Square, and it would be like my favorite thing. My husband or his friend would just wait in the mall on a bench until I finally came out. And then they've recently closed up their Tukwila store. So I love Impress products. This is a really cute tree stamp. I have some trees, but nothing quite like this. And it's always nice to have different trees in your forest. Okay, gosh, this just keeps going. An octopus. Okay, that's kind of fun because I don't have like critters and creatures. I have a lot of sea papers. Okay, she's got a whole bunch of ink pads in here. Close to My Heart, True Black. Soft Vanilla, Hero Arts. Design Studio, I don't know this brand. Pure Color, It looks like a red, Gala red, and close to my heart, Sweet Leaf. Oh, I think we just bought a re-inker for this at a garage sale last weekend. So if it needs to be re-inked, we've got that. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It is tiny little rickrack. It's really soft and it's blue and white. Look at that. Well, that needs to go on one of my journal pages. I mean, it could go on a card, but I want to keep some too. A circle punch, which you would think I don't need, but I'm going to test this out because I do need some circle punches and I need different sizes. So I'm hoping this is a good size for me. And these are really nice punches. If you have hand trouble, this is a good style punch too. Some of them I've been talking about and they're harder to use. We'll talk about that another time. I like this style and a cute little scallop. And I'm sure I don't have a scallop that small. Good heavens, it just keeps going. Like I said, it was a splurge item, but it was totally worth it. Oh my gosh, look at all this glitter paper. Look at all that. Whew, are you blinded? This one I really, really like. This one, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it has an iridescence to it, not just the shine and the color. Like you could use it with a lot of different colors and it would pick them up. Oh, 6x6 paper pads. You know that's my jam. I know, I don't need more paper. But it never stopped me from buying it. Okay, I don't have this Queen & Company pad. So it looks like, oh, that's fun. Just some scraps and miscellaneous, really cute stars. Okay, I don't have hardly any Halloween stuff. So I can just put this in. I have like one sleeve of Halloween and then I have some cute papers for next year when I want to make a couple cards. And then some of these, you don't have to make Halloween cards with them. If you got a box like this and you aren't into it, you could take them apart and not do it. I love fall and I can never have enough. I don't think I have any of these Queen & Company papers, which is pretty surprising. Happy Harvest, Birthday Bash, Magical Characters, and a partial pad is plenty, right? It's like a small card kit. You have fun, you're not overwhelmed. So I will have a great time with those. Let's see what else is in here. These Kaiser Craft pads are interesting because they're 6.5 inches. This one is called Sparkle. Oh, it has cut-aparts. Oh, look at this. And foils, snowflakes, all kinds of different stuff in it. So you could make some non-traditional Christmas cards. Oh, the music, I like that. And it's thick enough to make cards with, but I also could use it for collaging, like the music papers and stuff. I do like the foil and the glitter. Really interesting pad because it has accessories and all sorts of things in it. I don't have any Kaiser Craft pads, I don't think, so that's cool. Okay, I got a little Cartabella problem. I had this before and I loved it. I think I still have some 12x12 scraps. I will definitely use this. This is a gorgeous paper collection. If you haven't seen it, it's older, so don't get too attached. You might not be able to get this one. This one is Flora #1, and then there was a Flora #2, and I don't know if they kept going after that or if they just changed names. But the flowers and the patterns in this are just wonderful. There we go. Had to cut it open so you could see. And it's fun because I made cards with it before, but I didn't have the small scale, the small embellishments and the small patterns. So that'll be really fun to mix with my 12x12 scraps. So that's a good find for me. You know, sometimes you get an assorted item, but it fits perfectly with your stash. Fright Fest. Okay, so some more Halloween stuff. What is this? Because I am in love with it. 6x6 tiny tablet, Destination, Lily Bee design. I don't know this brand at all, but it has cars and it's like a Route 66 kind of vintage looking thing. I'm in all day long. And blue, has navy in it. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's kind of a travel-y pad with a bit of a vintage flair. Look at that one. Florals and navy. Yes, please. Okay. Now you've stumped me, Kristie. I feel like I missed a video. I don't know what they are. I don't know if I glue them down, use them like ribbons. Do they have self-adhesive? Totally don't know what these are. Okay, I might have to message her and be like, oh, help. Oh, but look at these. This one, I get it more, right? They're foil. So Queen & Company does, if you've seen Kristie's videos or shopped their products, they do some really neat kits or products to help you do fun stuff really easy. These are called stickums, and they're to put glitter on. So it's a double-sided piece of adhesive that's pre-cut in the shape you wanted. So you could take a die and cut your double-sided adhesive and stuff, but they have super cute little shapes for you, and this would be kind of a mess to cut out small ones. So you get all of these, and you could glitter or foil them and put them on your cards or journal pages. Here's chevrons of them. And I don't think I have any of these in my stash. And here's like a princess kind of collection. And oh, look at this cat one. I'm going to put this with my pet papers right away because I'll get confused. This would be really cute, like some of these foiled in your journal or on kitty cards. And then this is a heart. It might be the same thing. If this one is one, it would be really cool on the front of a journal because it's so big. And again, you can make something like this with a heart die and a big piece of adhesive, but these littler ones would be more complex to make for sure. So those are fun. Oh, and some peel-offs from Love from Lizzie. I don't have any of these. I have sort of similar products, but I mean, these are gold. They'll go with everything, right? There's some more stuff down here. Cute little stamp set. It says it's from Pink and Maine. Oh, it probably goes with that package that I pulled out here. And it says hi, and it has hibiscus, the leaf and the flower in the center. I have some stuff that I picked up in Maui that would go really nice with that. And here are, oh, these are giant sheets of adhesive. You could die cut with these and then do the glitter or foil. You could just use them to back die cuts if you didn't want to mess with complex sentiments. All sorts of options for these. Okay. That is all of my box. I hope that you found some inspiration in my big pile of goodness. I'm going to have to tidy up a bit and figure out where to put all this. I think this is a great box, and I had fun opening it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.